This is the earliest so far on the trapline we have had activity. It's been raining the last 3 days. I am riding a four-wheeler to try not to get wet. I got a rain jacket and chest waders on, trying to stay dry, and it's supposed to rain all day today. You can see this big river. It's probably at least 3 feet higher. Not a big river, but it's probably at least 3 feet higher than it was when I first set this property up. Several places out of the banks, not out of the banks here yet. I'm anxious to see. Had this pretty good trail. There's an old culvert right here where this small feeder creek feeds into the river, and had this pretty good trail. So I kind of set up a grub stake, so to speak. I put some beaver hide on a stake, and something kind of nibbled at it, and then it's actually on a drag. So this trap's just pulled flat out of the bed. There are a pile of deer on this property, so I kind of typically attribute that to deer. Do have a little cubby over here. Surprised me because I hadn't had any activity here, but I put yesterday I put a fish carcass in it. I don't know if you can tell that or not. Striper carcass, and busted old Grinner this morning. So nothing else. We can definitely catch some Grinners. We need some yodelers though. This old dog proof here is my best producing set on the whole property. It's a shame, but I'm glad of it at the same time. Well, we're riding the possum train today. I had a beaver leg staked here. Something came and chewed all it up, so I left the beaver leg there, but I staked a fish carcass. I wired it to the tree right there. Not surprising that we got a possum there, but sure hope we can pick up something bigger today. Obviously stuff was moving last night. Well, this is our best catch day yet, although no big predators. That's a good coon. That's a nice big pretty coon. He's on a drag actually. And I had this kind of staked beaver leg, and then I put had something to get the beaver leg, so I put a fish carcass on there. And you can see, I mean, that's one good thing about the drags is they get the animal away from your set, and you know, that's pretty much intact. I'll be able to put that trap right back in there and take off again. So